Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect TradingView to TopStep. Alright, let's begin. So what you want to do is just go search for TradingView and go to the website. Now you want to log into your account if you're not already logged in on TradingView, and then click on Brokers. Then click on Compare Brokers. From the Broker section, you can choose any broker and click on Learn More. And here we just want to click on Trade. We just want to go to the Trade section. So it's going to give us this pop-up. Just close it. Now, if you want to connect TopStep to your TradingView, you actually want to search for another broker. So scroll down and click on All Brokers. And here we'll search for TradeView. This is the one that we want to use. Click on it and log in with your TopStep credentials here. So once you have logged into your TopStep, or once you have typed out your TopStep credentials, you will click on Connect. And this is going to connect TradeView, which is essentially TopStep with TradingView. So that's basically how you can connect TradingView to TopStep. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.